Okay guys, this is the Teclast TBook 10S with the stylus charged up. Now we're going to use it in Windows. Okay, this is Windows. As you can see, we have the Windows manual and such. Okay, so that's Windows, and we're going to open up Medibang. Now with the gloves on, okay, the benefit is that you can be sliding around like that. Okay, so it helps, but the palm rejection on this is not the best. Okay, anyway, so this is our first layer, and we'll be using the pencil tool and lowering down that thing to, let's say, 2.9, something like that. Okay, and today we're going to draw some very simple stuff. So in the whole picture right here, we're going to split right here maybe. Okay, so this is going to be our ground, and this is the sky. We're going to draw a house right here. Okay, so let's roughly draw a house, and maybe it's going to be like that big. Okay, so that's the house. Now don't worry about all the details and such. Okay, we're just sketching. Now you can see the stylus is working very well today. Okay, after my tweak, we're gonna do a house, and then there should be a tree, so something like that. Okay, we're just drawing some simple stuff, and then after that maybe we'll have a human being here. Okay, so we got 3 elements to draw. Okay, now this is the outline. Don't worry so much. Okay, so the first thing is we're going to draw the we're going to lower down this opacity so that it looks lighter, and then we're going to open a new layer. Now this layer is going to be for my ground and my sky. Okay, so I'm going to draw a line through here, and I'm going to color that. So pick the color. The sky, okay, we'll be doing light blue like this. Oops, sorry. Let's undo that. Before we start, we should take off that layer. Okay, and then the lower part will be maybe a brown, something like that. Oh no, green. Green. We like green. Okay. Okay, so that looks pretty good, and maybe we'll be drawing. We'll be drawing some little clouds and stuff later on. Let's see. What should I be using? Okay, let's try eraser. Does that look good? No. Okay, so. Let's see what we got. Okay. Large. Wrong color. White. Okay. So I'm just drawing some dumb clouds around here. Okay. This is a demonstration to show you how easy it is to draw with this stylus. Okay. Okay, good. Now let's go back to our layer and show that layer, and we will hide the ground. Okay, so we hide it. Next, we're going to draw the house. So open a new layer, and we'll be tracing the house with your pen tool. Okay, pen tool. Low down that a little bit. Now we're going to go zoom in and do the tracing. Okay, oops, right here. So correction. We'll pick 15 or something. Okay, this is going to make your line better. Okay, you see, it looks much better like that. Ooh, no. Okay, 1, 2, and then this you will want to maybe rotate so you can draw that line down. Ooh, what happened? My hand touched it. Okay. Maybe the other way. Rotate. Okay, so my hand works better when I go like that. Okay, so this is going to be the line. Okay, that's fine. And then here, connect. Okay, so we've got the roof, and we're gonna do the lower part. Okay, so right here you see it doesn't look very good. We're gonna use the eraser. Okay, where's the eraser tool? I'm gonna erase that. Okay, so that looks pretty good. Now here I'll just accept it for the demo purpose, but for the the real drawing you should do better. Okay, and we're gonna go back to here. Now let's draw the house, that wall right here. Okay. Okay, and then here you see we're just tracing the line, and you don't really have to worry that much at this moment. Okay, now we got the house, and maybe we'll draw the dummy window as well. Okay. Look at that. Ooh. Okay, so that looks pretty dumb. Okay. Looks like a human being too, actually. So we'll draw the tree right here as well. So the tree, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Something like that. Okay. Okay, make sure you close up the line. Zoom in and close up that line, because if not you cannot color it. Okay, so you need to make sure that line is good. Now we'll skip the human being. Okay, just too much to do. Now here we do not color on this layer. We have to open a new layer, and here is where we do the color. So invisible on the first sketch layer, and we are here. Okay, so let's do the tree. Now the tree, will pick a little green color and fill that in, and then we'll pick a wood color and fill in that wood as well. Okay, that looks pretty dumb. And then right here maybe a red roof. Okay, red roof. Now here I might want a little darker red. Okay, and then the body, well, this is cartoon, so we'll choose something like that. Okay, and then a little bit darker on the other side. Good. Now the inside I might want yellow. That symbolizes the light inside here. Okay, and then the door, maybe a wood color door or something like that. Okay, good. Now we finished painting this. We're gonna get the background out, and there goes the cool effect. So as you can see, it works pretty well, right? And you might want to add, let's say, a sun right here shining down. Okay, so we'll be clicking this, and now we can draw the sun. Now if I'm drawing the sun, I might want to go on top of this layer to draw the sun, because it's kind of too much on one layer and I cannot undo it. Okay, so here is where I want to put the sun. Right here. Okay, so yeah, we'll put a sun right here. Let's do a big sun. Ouch! Holy crap, what did I do? Okay, sorry, wrong tool. No, that's too little. Okay, larger. Yeah, like that. Okay, and then maybe let's do some dummy strokes. Okay, that's pretty dumb looking. Okay, now we got the sun, and we're gonna go back out here. Okay, and then click visible. There we go. Okay, now that looks pretty good, right? But you might want the sun on top or something like that. Maybe, I don't know. So you can always drag that over to the top if you like. Nah, drag the wrong layer, sorry. The sun. Now the sun is on top, right? But the tree doesn't make sense right there. See? So we'll drag this back down. Okay. Now, that's pretty good. And on top, I might want to sign my name, let's say. Okay. Open a new layer. Correction. I have to sign my name. So I use the pen tool. Sign in black. Signing right here. Okay. Now zoom in. And I'll sign my name. Let's write Superman as our signature. Okay. Actually, I will do sharp pen. Soup. Per. That looks pretty good, right? Man. That looks good. Okay. 2018. Okay. So, you know, with this stylus, a dummy drawing like that, you know, I think it's really acceptable. And you can do better, but here goes a little demo that you can see the pen is capable of doing such things. Okay, so thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and like. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.